What's going on, knuckleheads? So in today's video is going to be part 3, the final part of my 50 states and 50 rallies. Roll the intro. Route 66 bike rally in Depew, Oklahoma. They actually host something there quite often, but there's 5 times a year they do bike related stuff. Bike rallies. It's a completely fenced in area. It's right alongside of a major highway. The campground looks really nice. They have a giant water slide into a pond. It looks like a blast. I plan on going at some point. I could not tell you when. Am I still recording? Yes. But they have a Veterans Day or a Veterans Appreciation Rally they put on. They have the spring rally, they have a fall one, a summer one, and I can't remember. Then they just have a regular Route 66 rally. Now we have the Pendleton Motorcycle Rally in Pendleton, Oregon. I couldn't find a whole lot on this one. Some of these I went and tried to look up on Facebook to see if I could find some videos tagged. I don't remember finding anything for this one either. I didn't find, the ABATE State Party Hazen in Hazen, PA. This actually looked somewhat decent. Rhode Island. Obviously, I didn't find shit for Rhode Island. I think you could throw a stone all the way across that state. Myrtle Beach Bike Week in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Again, that's a whole bike week. It's not Campground Central. I could not tell you much about it. I mean, it's a pretty big rally. I don't know how much riding there is to do around it. Sturgis Motorcycle Rally in Sturgis, South Dakota. That one, there's plenty of riding. You could ride out there for a week and never ride the same roads. The campgrounds, the only one I've been to is the Buffalo Chip. I loved it there. Now we have the Tennessee Music and Motorcycle Revival in Hurricane Mills, Tennessee on Loretta Lynn's Ranch. It looks like a really good time. I think Tweedledee plans on going this year. Maybe Ray's Moto Life. I would like to go. Now we have the Texas Iron Rally. I looked this one up. It looks like a good time. There is plenty. It's in the Texas Hill Country, so there should be plenty of riding to do around there. All right, so I think we left off at Texas Iron Rally in Rock Springs, Texas. For Utah and Vermont, couldn't find anything. Do they have something? Probably. But CycleFist didn't show anything and Motorcycle Destinations didn't show anything. Now we have Colonial Beach Bikefest in Colonial Beach, Virginia. Another one that I don't remember what it was I found. I don't think it was campground based. But it was the only thing I could find as far as a rally for Virginia. For Washington, we have ABATE of Washington Spring Opener Rally in Randall, Washington. Seems like the end of June would be the wrong time to have a spring opener rally, but what can you do? West Virginia, I couldn't find anything. Wisconsin. Wisconsin has another ABATE rally. It is ABATE of Wisconsin Summer Hummer Rally in Greenwood, Wisconsin. That one actually looked like a good time too. Then, last but not least, we have Hogfest in Glen Rock, Wyoming. I couldn't find anything on this. The only thing that came up when I searched Hogfest was a commercial, and I can't remember what it was. Stuffed pig or something. But there are several other rallies that I know of that ain't, I didn't mention. I tried to find, I thought of stuff after I found all this, but like in Michigan, they have the Easy Rider Rodeo, and they have one in Ohio. Let me just look that up. Yes, Ohio. They have Fowlerville, Michigan, and Bloomville, Ohio. Both of those look like really damn good times. Why didn't my... Anyways. Also in Michigan, you have the... Up in the UP... I'll put it right down there. Mishahista Stand Rally. It's all the way up in the UP. It looks like a good time. I plan on going to it at some point, as long as with the Easy Rider Rodeo. In Oklahoma, it used to be the Copperhead Run or Copperhead Rally, Copperhead Run Rally. I can't remember. It looked like it was also a good time. Let's see, there's in Florida, you have the Leesburg Bike Rally. Missouri, you have, we'll see, we did Lake of the Ozarks Bikefest. There's they have a